Hello students, how are you? I hope you may be fit and fine. Welcome back after a long break. Students, in this video you will see some revised topics related to this lesson or your base previous classes. So from testing to digesting we will see some topics related to this chapter. So let's start with our sense organs. So first we will say about nose, ear, eyes, skin and tongue. These are our sense organs. With the help of eyes we can see this beautiful world and all the things happening in and around our house. Skin. Skin gives us sense of touch. We can feel, we can touch and we can have sense. With the help of ear, we can hear. Our nose gives us sense of smell. So, how do we taste food? Let's listen an interesting story. Before that, we will see about parts of tongue and different functions of a tongue. So, in our tongue, tiny bumps are there, and with the help of that, we can have a sense of taste. So bitter, sour, salty and sweet. These are the taste buds in our tongue. So we will see functions of a tongue. Tongue help us to speak. Tongue help us to get the taste of food. And it also helps for swallowing the food. And now we will say about taste buds. So the tiny bumps present on the surface of the tongue which help us to get the taste are called taste buds. And with the help of these taste buds we are able to taste different kinds of tastes. So the functions of a tongue, as you can see there are tiny bumps on your tongue and that are called taste buds. These taste buds help us to feel the taste of different food items. Another important function of our tongue is to mix food well with saliva in our mouth for proper digestion of food. So children, today we will see some of the topics related to this chapter. So let's start with this chapter from testing to digesting. Different test. Jhumpa ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother saying, "Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter karela, that is called bitter gourd. Give me gur, that is jaggery, and roti." Ma smiled and said, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." Jhulan teased Jhumpa, "Don't you get bored of only one kind of taste?" Jhumpa replied quickly, "Do you get bored with licking imli, that is tamarind? I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli. Sure, I love the sour imli, but I eat sweet and salty things too." "I even eat karela," said Jhulan and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartily. So there is a conversation in between Jhumpa and Jhulan, and they were saying that you have to, means we have to eat each kind of food, we have to taste. Then Jhulan said to Jhumpa, "Let's play a game. You close your eyes and open your mouth." Means you have to close your eyes and just you have to open your mouth. "I will put something to eat in your mouth and you have to tell what it is." Jhulan took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them into Jhumpa's mouth. "So, sour lemon," Jhumpa replied quickly. So in this way they were tasting the food. Jhulan then picked up a small piece of jaggery. Her mother suggested, "Crush it, otherwise she will know what it is." So Jhulan crushed the jaggery, but Jhumpa easily guessed it. They played the game with different food items. Means they were taking, she was taking different food items, okay, and that Julian was putting it into her mouth, and she have to taste, or she have to tell what kind of food it is. They played the game with different food items. Jhumpa could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. And of course, some food items are like that, even though we cannot see it properly, but we can smell it properly. So before eating it or before watching it, we can identify which kind of food it is. So Jhumpa was confused for some of the test. So they played the game with different food items. Jhumpa could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. Julian said, "Now close your nose and tell me what this is." Jhumpa was confused. It is a bit bitter, a little salty, and somewhat sour. Miss mixed taste food item was there. "Give me one more spoonful." So Julian took another spoonful of cooked karela. Jhumpa's karela uncovered Jhumpa's eyes and said, "Here it is, eat." Jhumpa laughed. "Yes, give me more." So in this way they were trying to test different food items and trying to recognize it, or in this way they tested different food items. Now we will see some question answers which were asked over here that you have to discuss and write. Julian's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. So answer is, my mouth waters when I see something of my taste, especially spicy foods. List out 5 things of my liking and their taste. So we will write some things and their taste, just like chat. When you heard this word chat, then your mouth starts watering. So the taste is some little bit sour, sweet, sometimes spicy also. Samosa, salty and spicy. Pickles, sour, sometimes sweet also. Ice cream, sweet. Chocolate, sweet. Second question is, do you like only one kind of taste or different ones, and why? So answer is that I like different types of taste because I get bored of only one kind of taste. So these are some question answers over here that we have discussed. Remaining part we will see, children, in another video. Here we have seen in this video that different types of taste are there: sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Umami is also there. So this type of taste we have seen today, and we have seen some part of your chapter. So thank you for watching video. Keep reading this continuously. Thank you.